This presentation is about how to turn your content from nice-to-have posts into a focused system that supports leads, sales, and brand growth. We will use Ryza Content Creator, an AI-adjacent content creation platform, as our working example to show what this looks like in practice. You will see how narrative, data, and guardrailed AI come together so you can create content faster, stay authentic, and stay aligned with your business goals. By the end, you should have a clear view of what to expect from a modern content engine and how to decide what level of support you actually need. Most creators and business teams still treat content as a series of disconnected tasks. You research in one place, write in another, design visuals somewhere else, and maybe pull analytics from yet another tool. That fragmentation makes it very hard to show up consistently without burning out, and it makes quality unpredictable. Even worse, there is often no clean line from a post or video to pipeline, leads, or revenue, which means it is hard to defend the time spent. Ryza's core purpose is to replace this scattered, manual approach with a structured AI collaborative workflow that connects creation, quality, and outcomes in one system. Ryza's content engine can be understood in 3 clear stages. First, in the ideate stage, you bring your themes, subject matter expertise, PDFs, or images, and the system helps you generate strong ideas. Second, in the automate stage, those ideas are turned into ready-to-use posts, images, videos, carousels, and even slide decks using guardrailed AI, so you are not starting from a blank page. Third, in the elevate stage, everything is styled to strengthen your brand voice, maintain clarity, and deliver a professional impression with minimal extra effort on your side. This flow is designed so your content does not stay stuck in your head, but gets onto the platforms your audience actually sees. A major concern with AI tools is that they can make everyone sound the same, or, worse, off-brand. Ryza addresses this by training on your previous content so it can learn your typical language, tone, and structure. The platform then applies meaningful guardrails to prevent voice drift, which means the AI does not wander away from your established style or terminology. Every output includes clear hooks and consistent styling, so your audience recognizes you, even as you scale your posts. You also remain in charge of final edits, and Ryza does not auto-post for you, which keeps the ultimate control and responsibility for authenticity firmly in your hands. Ryza treats content as a business system rather than decoration. Business users can select KPIs, such as engagement or lead-focused metrics, and then shape their content strategy around those specific outcomes. For LinkedIn Analytics, Post It, Save It app provides free dashboards that surface when and how your content performs, giving you a clear view of which posts are actually helping your pipeline instead of guessing. This allows you to see which posts are actually helping your pipeline instead of guessing. Because the system reduces drafting and revision time, you can launch campaigns faster and refine them continually based on concrete performance data. Content performs best when it speaks directly to the people you want to reach. Ryza provides weekly lists of target companies, along with ideal customer profiles built around your own products and services. These profiles include details and pain points that can be used to design posts, videos, and carousels that feel specific, not generic. That same information can power sales outreach, one-pagers, and nurture emails, so your marketing and sales teams are aligned around the same view of the customer. In practice, this means your narrative and your prospect lists move together, not in separate silos. As teams grow, managing risk, approvals, and brand consistency becomes critical. Ryza centralizes drafting, editing, and production in one environment, so you move away from scattered files and untracked edits. Organizations gain compliance oversight to ensure content meets internal and external standards before it goes live. At the same time, the platform is designed with privacy in mind and does not store your generated content, ICP lists, or infographics after processing. With mobile compatibility, your team can review and generate content even when they are not at their desks, which keeps campaigns moving without sacrificing control. For sales, content is not just about awareness, it is about moving deals forward. Ryza can create sales one-pagers, pitch decks, carousels, and full presentations based on your inputs, along with email drafts that match your buyer journey. Short AI videos and full-length faceless videos help your team send engaging follow-ups without needing on-camera talent or in-house production. Because the same system manages drafting, editing, and production, sales and marketing spend less time reworking slides or copy. This increases the speed at which you can respond to prospects while keeping your message consistent and professional. Ryza's plans are structured around how serious you are about scaling your presence. Individual creators get 1 post per day, plus short videos and visuals, which is ideal if you are building a professional footprint and want clarity without complexity. Influencer creators receive higher monthly limits, monthly voice training, Lego embedding and color control, and the ability to upload their own images, which suits those focused on audience growth and sponsorship readiness. Solopreneurs and business creators gain access to KPI alignment, weekly ICP lists, sales assets like slide decks and email drips, and optional content calendars to run a true business engine. Across all tiers, you can add done-for-you services if you simply do not have time to produce content yourself. For businesses that need higher production video, the Ryza team can also build custom, longer-form advertisement videos for use across any of the 9 platforms Ryza supports. Ryza is not just about speed, it is about narrative intelligence, meaning your actual expertise becomes the backbone of your content. You can upload PDFs, research, or images, and the system turns those into posts, newsletters, blogs, or carousels that communicate clearly to your market. Visuals, videos, and copy are all tuned to your voice and your goals, which keeps your public narrative coherent over time. The Conscious Content Creation LinkedIn newsletter extends this mindset, encouraging you to think about why you publish, not just how often. This approach helps you show up as a thoughtful brand rather than as noise in the feed. To close, the main shift is to stop thinking of content as random posts and start seeing it as a structured system that supports measurable business outcomes. Ryza illustrates how you can maintain a strong, authentic voice while dramatically increasing the volume and variety of your content. By tying your narrative to clear KPIs and to specific ICPs, your posts and videos begin to serve as real sales assets, not just visibility plays. As a next step, consider which tier best matches your current stage and where you feel the most friction in your content process today. Addressing that friction with a unified AI-adjacent workflow is how you turn conscious content into consistent, compounding growth.